Hey David, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that's certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content, and I have your site here, which is a very nice site, by the way. Awesome job. It is extremely user-friendly. Everything is very organized. It looks awesome. So content is considered anything that you can see here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as well. So Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage of a website. So you all could add some more content to your website, and it would also give you more of an opportunity to add in those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. But overall, amazing job with your site. So next up is going to be citations, and I pulled up a quick search for pressure washing in your area, and the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, which I know you have, which is great, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you'd want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories. And you would want to grab those listings for your business as well. But you never want to stop there. So for instance, say your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You want to grab those 10 and then you want to, double, triple, quadruple that for yourself. So if they have 10, you want to have 20, 30, 40, 50 even. That's going to make it to where you're really dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So we'll move on to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section here. This is called the organic section, and look who it is here. You guys are really doing really well. If it's in the map pack that you want to be, there's, certainly things that you can do to get there. But as far as organic ranking, you all are number 2. So that's amazing. Bravo for that. As far as the backlinks go, the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other pressure washing companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number 1, that is the correct industry for you, and number 2, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. So I pulled up one of the tools that I use here just to kind of give you a visual representation of what we're talking about here. So this is for your site, and it's showing that you all have 38 referring domains, which is giving you 218 backlinks, getting you found for 124 keywords, and that's driving about 87 people to your site per month, which is amazing. That's awesome. And then I did pull up one of your competitors here, and it's showing they have 8 referring domains, giving them 28 backlinks, which is getting them found for 13 keywords and driving about 2 people to their site. Now, they are ranking higher, and they're ranking in the map pack. So one of the reasons for that could be, again, not all backlinks are created equal. So there are good links out there and bad links. So some links in Google's eyes are spam. So it'll count as a backlink for you, but it won't really do anything for you. And that could be one of the reasons, that they have less backlinks and they're ranking higher. It also, could have something to do with their keywords as well. And in fact, let's pull up their keywords and we'll kind of see what they're working with here. So, what you would want are buyer intent keywords. So, anything that someone's going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. For instance, pressure washing, Lynchburg, VA. That's a perfect keyword. Pressure washing, Roanoke. So, they're targeting a couple of different areas here. But I mean, they don't have a ton of keywords. So it does kind of lead me to believe that the reason they are ranking higher does have something to do with those backlinks or their citation or directory listings. And really, in order to beat out your competition and to be at that very top position in the map pack and to be in that very top position ranking organically, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that your competition is. And as I mentioned before, you just don't ever want to stop there either. Whatever it is that your competition is doing, absolutely do that, but then let's continue to add on to it. That way you are far surpassing them. That is what's going to get you to that number one position on Google and allow you to stay there. But it's also going to make it to where your competition, has a very difficult time keeping up with you. They'll certainly have their work cut out for them. So that's really all that I have for you today. I do hope that this video was helpful for you. If you would like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thanks again for your time, David. You have a great rest of your day.